Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Flex Layout. Okay. So first up, go ahead and add in your board. It could be an object or a group. Okay. Now you're going to want to go to the Properties tab in here. Now here we have Layout. Just click on the plus sign. Now click on Flex. Okay. Now you're going to want to add in your components or icons, photos, or logo, whatever you like. Okay. For example, these ones right here. I'm just going to click and drag. Okay, as you can see here, as fast as that, this specific icon or object automatically bumps into the top left. Why is that? Okay, so we have here under our board, okay, the layout selected was this option, align item start and the content start. So let's just go ahead and add in some more just for you to see. Okay, as you can see here, just like so. Now let's go back to the layer section, and then just click on your board. Here we have the layouts. Okay, click on one, just experiment. Okay, this one as well. As you can see, top, center, bottom. Should it be left, center, far right, or spaced, or this one, or this one? Okay, that's basically how you do it. You can use right, left, or the order from left to right, right to left, up and down, down to up. You can adjust the row gap here, the vertical and horizontal padding. That is it. That is how you use Flex Layout here in Penpot. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.